In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your bills in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refine your financial management skills, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and efficient. Start by navigating to the Expenses section found on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Bills tab. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your bills. By default, this view is tailored to show you bills that are either overdue or still unpaid. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of what's coming up and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. At the top left of this section, you'll notice there are additional tabs available. These tabs can be particularly handy as they allow you to switch your view to see paid bills as well. This can serve as a reassuring checkpoint to confirm which bills have been settled, and it also helps you maintain a clear picture of your business's financial obligations. If you've got a bill that you'd like to pay immediately, you can simply click on Schedule Payment. There's also a small caret icon next to this button that offers additional options. If you drop down the menu by clicking the caret, you can select Mark as Paid. This is perfect for logging a record of payment that was made outside of QuickBooks, ensuring that all your transactions are accurately reflected. Moreover, if you need to make any changes to a bill, QuickBooks gives you flexible options like editing, duplicating, or even deleting the bill entirely if it's no longer needed. This versatility ensures that you can manage your financial records with accuracy and ease. When it's time to enter a new bill, you'll want to click on Add Bill, located at the top right of the screen. From there, you can input all the necessary details related to the bill. This includes information like the amount, due date, and any relevant notes, ensuring that every bill is comprehensively documented. Alternatively, QuickBooks Online offers a New button at the top left of your screen. Clicking here allows you to select the option to create a bill. This shortcut allows you to swiftly generate a new bill without needing to navigate away from your current view, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. In conclusion, managing your bills in QuickBooks Online is intuitive and convenient. With these easy-to-follow steps, you'll be able to maintain an accurate financial ledger, preventing overdue payments and facilitating better financial planning. Thank you for tuning in, and now you're all set to fine-tune your business's bill management process.